May marks Mental Health Awareness Month. It's a time to raise awareness and reduce the stigma surrounding mental health.
And later this week, the University of Arizona's College of Medicine will be holding an event to bring more awareness to an underrepresented group in this conversation. 13 News reporter Emily Miranda joining us now live in studio. And Emily, you spoke with experts on mental health. How important is this month?
Well, Dan, they say the U.S. has come a long way, but there's still a lot of stigma surrounding mental health. That is why people such as pregnant women and mothers have a hard time speaking out. During an upcoming event, experts at the University of Arizona College of Medicine are hoping to change that narrative. Mental illness and poor mental health affects millions of people in Arizona and around the country each year. Experts say there are plenty of resources out there to help people, but the stigma surrounding mental illness stops many from seeking them.
It is so important that we talk about it because talking about it gets us connected with community, gets us connected with professionals who can help us with the symptoms.
One group that is often underrepresented during this discussion is pregnant women and mothers.
And the most common underlying cause of death in Arizona amongst that were pregnancy-related causes of death, 32.6% was mental health conditions. And they said 90% of pregnancy-associated deaths in Arizona were considered preventable.
Last June, the University of Arizona College of Medicine launched a new perinatal psychiatry access line for Arizona healthcare providers caring for pregnant and postpartum women experiencing mental illness. Nearly a year later, the line's director tells me it's been a success.
The same providers call us back, which I think is also a good sign for different patients, not the same patients, which is also a good sign in terms of the amount of impact I think we're having.
To bring more awareness to the struggles many mothers face, a film screening and panel discussion will be held on Sunday to honor Maternal Mental Health Month.
Because I feel like there's a narrative. If you were only organized enough, efficient enough, if you worked hard enough, somehow things would be better. But it takes a very system-based approach to it.
By having this conversation, the hope is for more women to speak out and to encourage others to help.
If you are hearing this and it's coming across, and somebody you know is struggling with infertility, has conceived, is pregnant, is postpartum lactating, check in on them, see how they're doing. The sense of community really does help.
Now, this free event is happening this Sunday at the Screening Room on Congress starting at 1. And for more information on the event and mental health resources in Southern Arizona, head on over to our website at KOLD.com. Reporting in studio, Emily Miranda, 13 News.